welcome to this video. Today I'm here to show you guys how you can create this beautiful salon look at home using gel polish from LOOKFANTASTIC. Please don't forget to subscribe to LOOKFANTASTIC's channel, hit that notification button and give this video a big thumbs up. So today I'm going to be using the Mini Macaron gel polish kit. This is perfect if you want to do your nails from home, if you're traveling anywhere. It's got a mini LED light, as you can see here. It's got magnetic top, and then in the box you do have the cable. So this is the power cable, so one end is smaller, that's the end that you plug into the LED light, and then the other end just plugs in to the USB port on a plug. And then here we have some removal pads for when you want to take the gel polish off, a nail file and also a cuticle pusher. And then you also get the shade Milkshake in the kit as well. For today's video, I will be using some more of their gel polishes. So I'm going to be using the Coffee Shop collection, and these are so beautiful. They're so pigmented. So the first colour is Espresso, and this is a really rich dark brown. It's absolutely stunning. Then the next one is Latte. Again, it's another shade of brown. This time it's slightly lighter. And then we've got Cafe Creme, which is more of a nudie colour. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to push back my cuticles using the cuticle pusher. Make sure you're doing this nice and gentle. For the purpose of this video, I did actually extend my nails a little bit, but I'm still going to do exactly what I would do if it was on my natural nails. So then I'm taking the file and I'm gently buffing on the surface of my nail to remove any oils, shaping them up, and this is also going to help the gel polish to adhere to the nail and give you that longer lasting wear. Now I'm taking a lint-free wipe and some rubbing alcohol and just wiping over the nails, getting rid of the dust and any oil that's left on there. And now I'm just going to take some of the gel polishes and just pop a little bit on my little plate. And this is to make it a lot easier with my nail art brush. Rather than trying to get it out of the bottle, I will then be able to get to it a little bit easier. You can use anything you like that is wipeable and that is clean. You could even use tinfoil for this. It really doesn't matter. So next you're going to need a thin nail art striping brush, and I'm going to saturate my brush in the first colour, which is Espresso, making sure that my brush is completely full of the polish. And then what I'm doing is outlining the free edge of the nail and taking it down the wing of the nail slightly. The harder you press with your brush, the thicker the line will be. The less pressure you put on your brush, the thinner it will be. So you could do this as thin or as thick as you like, it really doesn't matter. Also, these gel polishes are 3-in-1 gel polishes, so you don't need a base or a top coat. They are the base, the colour and the top coat in one bottle. For this design I will be using a top coat just because we've done a nail art design, but if you were just doing all colour you do not need a top coat. Then once I was happy with that, I'm going to place it in the LED light. So I just turn it on at the top, place my finger in it, and it does have a timer on it for 30 seconds. So as soon as it's set, the light will go off. After cleaning off my brush, I'm then taking Latte and doing exactly the same kind of thing, but further down the nail. So you're almost creating an oval shape. Then once I'm happy with this, again, I will go ahead and cure that in my lamp for the 30 seconds until the timer goes off. Moving on to the middle finger, I'm doing exactly the same technique, but this time I'm starting with the Latte colour, and then I will be going in with the Cafe Creme for the second section. So I'm almost doing a gradient, so from darker colours down to lighter colours on the pinky finger. So again, going in, outlining the free edge of the nail, then once I'm happy, curing that before going in with the second colour. So as I said, now we're going to go in with Cafe Creme and create our second oval shape. So once I was happy with that, I then cured that under the lamp for 30 seconds. And for the next finger, we are going to be using Milkshake as well as Cafe Creme. So this is the Milkshake. This is going to be used for our second oval. But first, I'm going to go in and do exactly the same. We're going to outline the free edge of the nail, trying to work nice and neat and nice and thin, trying to make sure I'm not getting it on my skin. And again, once I'm happy, I cure in the mini lamp for 30 seconds. Then next, we're going to go in with Milkshake and create our second oval again. Trying to work nice and thin. I don't want these lines to be too thick, so I'm not putting much pressure on at all. And as you can see, it is quite tricky to do on yourself. So you do have to kind of maneuver your hand around in all different directions. But once you get it, you get it. So next I'm going in with Milkshake again on the pinky, and this time I do both oval shapes in this colour. And again, I'll cure for 30 seconds each time. And then on the thumb, I'm going to go in again using Espresso, and I'm going to do both lines in this colour, curing each time for 30 seconds. So once I'd set this nail, I'm then going to go in and finish off with 3 small dots using a dotting tool, just up the centre of the nail from the cuticle area, curing for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to go in and top coat all of the nails using 3 times shine. Again, you don't have to top coat if you are doing a full colour design. This is just because I have done nail art and I really want to seal it all in and make it all look beautiful and shiny. Then I will cure this for 1 full minute under LED and then add some cuticle oil to finish off the look, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Look Fantastic's YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Bye!